Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your body and take your fitness journey to the next level? Whether you're a beginner stepping into the gym for the first time or someone who's been lifting for years, having a structured workout plan is the key to achieving your goals. In this video, I'll guide you through a full-week gym workout plan designed to maximize strength, build muscle, burn fat, and keep you motivated all week long. Stick around because you don't want to miss the crucial tips sprinkled throughout this video that can elevate your results. Day 1, chest and triceps, building your upper body powerhouse. Let's kick off the week with chest and triceps. Why? Because these muscles are interconnected, and training them together makes your workout efficient and powerful. Start with the bench press, the ultimate chest builder. Perform 4 sets of 8-12 reps, gradually increasing the weight. Focus on a slow and controlled motion. This helps you engage the muscles deeply. Next, move on to incline dumbbell presses. This targets your upper chest, giving your pecs that full, rounded look. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Transition to cable flies to isolate the chest muscles. Adjust the cables to different heights to target various parts of the chest. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Now for the triceps, start with tricep dips, a bodyweight exercise that builds strength and endurance. Perform 3 sets to failure. Follow this with skull crushers, which are excellent for isolating your triceps. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Wrap up with tricep pushdowns using a rope attachment on the cable machine. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps, focusing on squeezing your triceps at the bottom. Imagine walking out of the gym with your chest pumped and your triceps tight, feeling unstoppable. Stick with this workout and you'll see results in no time. Day 2, back and biceps sculpting your V shape. It's time to build that strong, wide back and those sculpted arms. Back and biceps complement each other because pulling exercises engage both muscle groups. Start with pull-ups, the gold standard for back development. Can't do pull-ups yet? Use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands. Aim for 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Next, hit the barbell rows to target your lats and traps. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps with a challenging weight. Maintain a slight bend in your knees and keep your back straight to avoid injury. Move to lat pull-downs to isolate your lats further. Adjust your grip for variety, wide grip for width, close grip for depth. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. For biceps, start with barbell curls. This compound movement hits both heads of the bicep. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps. Switch to hammer curls, which also work your brachialis muscle, adding thickness to your arms. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Finish with concentration curls for a great pump. Focus on slow, controlled movements. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps per arm. Picture yourself in a tank top, showing off that wide back and defined arms. How amazing will that feel? Keep pushing. Day 3, legs. Never skip leg day. Leg day is crucial, not just for aesthetics, but also for overall strength and balance. Start with the squat, the king of all exercises. Go for 4 sets of 8-12 reps. Focus on form. Keep your back straight, core tight, and knees tracking over your toes. Move on to Romanian deadlifts to target your hamstrings and glutes. Perform 4 sets of 10 reps and feel the stretch in your hamstrings on the way down. For quads, hit the leg press machine. Adjust the weight so you can perform 4 sets of 12 reps with good form. Don't forget your calves. Do standing calf raises and seated calf raises for 3 sets of 20 reps each. Finally, add a burnout set with walking lunges. Go for 3 sets of 12 steps per leg. Want to feel like you can conquer mountains? Strong legs are your foundation. Don't underestimate the power of leg day. Day 4, shoulders and abs, the aesthetic enhancers. Shoulders give you that broad, confident look, while abs are the ultimate sign of fitness. Begin with the overhead press, the best exercise for building shoulder strength. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps. Move to lateral raises, which sculpt the sides of your shoulders. Use lighter weights and aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Don't forget your rear delts. Do reverse flies to target this often neglected area. Perform 3 sets of 12 reps. For abs, start with hanging leg raises. These are phenomenal for your lower abs. Perform 3 sets to failure. Next, hit the Russian twists with a medicine ball for your obliques. Do 3 sets of 20 twists. Wrap up with a plank hold. Start with 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration each week. Imagine the compliments you'll get for your broad shoulders and tight abs. You'll be the person everyone looks up to, literally and figuratively. Day 5. Full body functional training. Boost your performance. Functional training improves your athletic performance and makes daily activities easier. Start with kettlebell swings to target your glutes, hamstrings, and core. Perform 4 sets of 20 swings. Move to push-ups with a twist. Add a clap for explosiveness. Do 3 sets to failure. Incorporate battle ropes for an intense cardio and upper body workout. Go hard for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 sets. Finish with a farmer's walk to work your grip core and overall endurance. Use heavy dumbbells and walk for 30 seconds. Do 3 sets. Want to feel like an athlete in your day-to-day life? This day will push you beyond your limits and make you unstoppable. Day 6. Active recovery yoga and mobility. Recovery is just as important as training. Use this day for light activity to keep your muscles moving without overloading them. Spend 15-20 minutes on dynamic stretches, focusing on the areas you worked hard during the week. Follow this with yoga poses like downward dog, child's pose, and pigeon pose to relieve tension. End with foam rolling for 10 minutes. Target your quads, hamstrings, and back. Remember, rest days aren't lazy days, they're essential for growth. Don't skip this step. Day 7, cardio and core, the finishing touch. End your week with a cardio session that leaves you feeling energized. Start with a 20-minute HIIT session. Alternate between 30 seconds of all-out effort and 1-minute rest. Choose an activity you enjoy, like running, cycling, or rowing. Then, target your core again with mountain climbers, bicycle crunches, and ab rollouts. Do 3 sets of 20 reps for each. Wrap up your week with a cool-down session to lower your heart rate and improve flexibility. Feel proud of yourself for completing a full week of structured training. This is your blueprint for success. Don't stop here, keep building. There you have it, a full week gym workout plan that covers every muscle group, keeps you progressing, and ensures you're on the path to achieving your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Every rep, every set, and every drop of sweat is taking you closer to your dream body. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with a friend who's ready to transform their fitness journey. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on powerful tips and workout plans like this one. See you in the next video.